A piriformis muscle tear can cause lower back pain and sciatica. A piriformis muscle injury causes a tear, in which piriformis muscle inflammation causes back pain. And also, piriformis muscle inflammation may cause sciatic pain. The best treatment for piriformis muscle syndrome is the Deuk Piriformis release. From there, the piriformis pain is permanently eliminated. The advantages with the Deuk Piriformis release is that it's an outpatient procedure, which would take up to about 30 minutes, minimal bleeding and pain after the procedure with an immediate recovery and return to work the next day, as well as a 99% success rate with permanent pain relief with a single treatment. For more details, please visit our website at www.deukspine.com or call us at 1-800-FIX-MY-BACK 349-6922.